Hello, welcome back to the Stay Fitness channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Daniela and I help women gain to know their hormones in order to achieve optimal health and body composition. If you already subscribe to this channel, then welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. So today I want to show you how to make this keto, animal-based, almost carnivore lasagna made with the miracle noodles from Keto Asian Flavours, and which I've been experimenting with, and it's been a rocky road. I thought I'm gonna throw the towel because making these pasta sheets was honestly, it was like an afternoon of nightmare. I don't know how she makes it look so easy. Her comes out like so well. Mine were just like a disaster. But yeah, let's have a look how to make the pasta sheets first. So it's the usual recipe with 3 cups of filtered water. Then you need a tablespoon of whole egg powder or any kind of powder. It could be like egg white powder, I know, like any powder basically. And then you add 1 tablespoon of sodium alginate and you blend for 3 minutes. Then you let it rest for like about half an hour so the bubbles surface, and then you remove all the bubbles. And then basically the trick is to pour into a tray, and then on the side you're going to prepare a calcium bath with 7 cups of water and 1 tablespoon of calcium lactate. And with that solution you then slowly pour on top of this sheet so they set. Mine did not set. The surface would set, but the bottom wouldn't set, and I left them there for ages. So I had to slowly let the solution go to the bottom, slowly turn them, do that for every sheet. It took me so long. Yeah, I didn't think I'm gonna get anything out of it. But yeah, with loads of patience I was able to get enough pasta sheets, and then I was able to assemble lasagna. So I made a bolognese. Like traditional bolognese actually has a lot more meat and less like plant foods than the one that is like mainstream bolognese, because it's a lot of like beef mince, pork mince. Of course you add the soffritto, which is celery, carrots and onion, which you could do just onion if you want. And then you put just a few tablespoons of tomato paste, and then you add water and milk as the liquid actually. So there's not like a lot of like tomato sauce or anything like that. And then I made a quick white sauce with what I had in the fridge, which was 1 pack of mascarpone and some milk. I just melted it on the stove until I achieved like a creamy sauce. I added some, nutmeg, because it's really typical. In between layers I also put some Parmesan cheese. So before I composed the lasagna, I softened the noodles with a solution of 3 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of bicarbonate soda, and I dipped it in for just a few seconds just to soften it up because some of them were pretty thick. I then did the classic assembly: layer sauce, pasta sheet, sauce, white sauce. I did it until I ran out of so-called pasta sheets, like pieces of these noodles. And then I baked it for quite a while because it was quite watery. My mistake was to have quite watery bolognese and quite watery white sauce. I would recommend to make thicker, both of them, because like the pasta is of course made of water mostly, so it gives out quite a lot of water. So it ended up being quite watery, but it's no problem because you can, once it's cooked, you can drain it out. So I baked it for 160 degrees Celsius for about 40-50 minutes, but you could cut it down massively and just pour the excess water out when it's cooked. It's no problem. So it doesn't look like $1,000,000, but actually I tasted it and it was actually pretty good. It tasted like fresh pasta, so it doesn't have that like strong bite of the dry pasta. It's like you use like fresh egg pasta or something like that, but really not that bad actually. I was like very surprised that I actually liked it. So yeah, in the end, after all the hardship, pretty successful experiment. But yeah, let me know in the comments below, have you tried this pasta already? Have you tried making lasagna? Would you try it now that you've seen it? What you think about it? And yeah, consider going and have a look at my other videos. If you did enjoy this video, please like it, share it, and yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.